Welcome to Phú Hào. Today, we're exploring a product that can revolutionize the way you care for your plants, Coir Log. Let's discover the amazing benefits this product brings to your garden. Coir Log is a natural product made from coconut coir, a sustainable and eco-friendly material. Processed from the outer shell of coconuts, Coir Log is not only visually appealing, but also provides numerous benefits for plants and soil protection. Coir Log benefits. Coir Log is a natural product made from coconut husk, a sustainable and eco-friendly material. Processed from the outer shell of coconuts, Coir Log is not only aesthetically pleasing but also offers numerous benefits for plants and soil protection. Moisture retention. Coir Log has excellent moisture retention capabilities, allowing plants to maintain necessary moisture for extended periods, reducing the frequency of watering. Erosion prevention. Placing coir logs around plants helps prevent soil erosion, protecting the richness and structure of the soil. Soil quality improvement. Coir logs enhance soil structure, providing an ideal environment for root growth. Ecosystem protection. Coir logs create a habitat for beneficial microorganisms in the soil, promoting the development of the natural ecosystem. To use Coir Log effectively, follow these simple steps. Identify the area to be protected or improved. Choose a location prone to erosion, needing moisture retention or supporting plant growth. Prepare the soil surface. Clear weeds and debris to ensure proper contact with the ground. If necessary, dig a shallow trench to secure the Coir Log better. Place the Coir Log in the desired position. Secure it with wooden stakes or ties to prevent movement due to wind or water flow. Ensure the Coir Log sits firmly on the soil. Water and maintain regularly. After placing, water the Coir Log to activate its moisture retention and natural decomposition process. Monitor moisture levels and replace as needed for long-term effectiveness. Coir Log is not just a sustainable solution but also a great companion in gardening. With its ability to retain moisture, protect soil, and support ecosystems, it's the perfect choice for those who love gardening and care about the environment. What do you think about Coir Log? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful gardening tips and eco-friendly solutions. See you in the next video.